Alright, so this week I am staying, or this weekend I'm staying at a farm. This one is specifically a beef farm, so they raise a bunch of cattle. And we're right outside the national forest, one of the national forests. So I'm going to go to the national forest today and just kind of hang out. There's a big river, spring fed by 5, I think, different springs. And so I think I'm going to go there. And then I got some ground beef and like pork meat. I'm going to make some hamburgers out of from the animals here. So you see back here, there's a bunch of cows off in the distance there. They were up in this pasture yesterday, but not today. They are off in the distance. But yeah, I got some. The host here gave me some of the ground beef and pork together. So I'm gonna make some hamburgers out of that and then go down to the river. But I think I'm actually gonna do it down by the river. So I'm gonna quickly run to the store, get some hamburger buns and stuff needed for that. I talked to the host here a bit. They have about 200 acres. They do hay and meat, of course. They have about how many cows? I think they said like 79 cows currently, but they currently have a few that are getting born. They said last week there were 2 new cows that were just born, and they expect a couple more this coming week. But this is a bunch of hay back in this barn, and out there is just cows, and they got some more hay fields over to the left and then more hay barns straight ahead as well. I'm way out here in the back corner. They have a few different spots they would have allowed me to stay at, but they recommended this one, which is down by out in the back, and you'll see deer and everything back here. Last night I was woken up by a very loud noise outside my bus, and but yeah, just I guess some barn cats going at it. But one of them hit the side of my bus, so I guess when they're fighting, I didn't even hear them screaming at each other, but one of them hit the side of my bus here real hard, which my bed's up here, so when one hit here real hard, it made a big bang, and it just kind of made me jump. But yeah, I'm gonna go get ready to go on my grom to the store. Inside's kind of a mess right now because, like I said, I'm going to the river, and so I got my camping stuff out so I can cook the hamburger and stuff like that, and I had to dig this all out from underneath my bed, so it's all just out here for the moment. But yeah, then I'm gonna go to the river, and so I'll go there now. Made it to the spot where I think I'm going to set up and cook lunch. It's a spot that I don't think any other people are going to show up at. It's a decent ways out here. Some more butter on this again. Now it's time for the burger patty. Oh yeah, that's one done. Fresh from the farm. I've made it to my next spot. Right on the lake in the Ozarks. So I am currently inflating my paddleboard, and I'm going to go out there and try and fish.
Through the highways till my shadow turns to sun rays, and